Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel or welcome back. This is Nabuela here, and today I am going to take you guys through the process of butchering chicken. I had asked you guys or my followers on Instagram if I could take you guys through the process of butchering chicken, the way it's done here and the way it's done in the West. So I'm going to do it our way and also compare with how my friends do it in the West. So I hope you guys enjoy, and if you feel like this is a graphic video, then don't watch it. This is just a disclaimer. If you feel like this is going to interfere with how you feel, don't watch this video. So I'm going to butcher chicken and I'm going to show some parts, not too much blood involved, but at least something that would be interesting, and then you can compare how it's done in the West by my friends. And then yeah, so comment down below, let me know what you think about this video. Let me know how, if this is the same way you do it at home or this is a whole new vibe. So I have my water here and I'm supposed to dunk the chicken in so that I can pluck the feathers. So I think I'll take you guys through, so come with me. Yeah, I guess this guy is about to say his last words. I've already caught his neck and we don't want to waste time because we don't want him to feel pain and everything. So I'll just go straight to it. My knife is very sharp right now and I'm just going to, yeah, sorry buddy. I've only seen people pluck these feathers, but I won't do that because I feel like he'll be in so much pain. I've stepped on his legs so that he doesn't run away. Oh my god. So this is my dunking bucket and I am just going to dunk it here and ensure it's immersed in this water so that it can get all the feathers off. Always make sure to remove all the feathers because no one loves to see these things on their plate. It's disgusting. So make sure to remove all that you can. And then the rest, you will get them off when you put it on top of a jiko or something so that it can just automatically burn them out. So always make sure, like if there's anything you can do with your fingers, just get it off because you don't want to see this on a plate. So here is our chicken, and as you can see, it's free from all the feathers, so it's just ready for the procedure ama kupasuliwa.
You hold the feet, they don't kick very much, as much as they would otherwise. Get down there where they can see around and they don't kick so much either. Try to keep this at around 145 to 150 Fahrenheit, 145 degrees to 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Give them a good slosh around to get the oil, get the hot water inside the oil on the feathers. For the feathers to kind of repel the water at first. I never know how long we dunk them, but it's probably close to a minute. And they're ready. And you can grab a single wing feather or a single tail feather. And that actually clicked when it came out. You want it to slide right out effortlessly. Good. Legs come off. Just so the claws don't puncture the skin. And when we flick the plucker on, it spins the disc in the bottom and the sides stay where they're at. And that pretty well takes the feathers off.
I'm just taking off the extra feathers that the plucker didn't get this time. We usually have this happen the first few times we kill chickens at the start while we get our system going again. So when I cook chickens, I don't like to have any of these feathers around the neck.
It's not real, Dad.
Now we step back down so I can see. And I've cut through the blue steak, so I'm going to try and go underneath it. Get as much of this out as I can. Some birds have a big one, some birds have just a little tiny one. This one is quite big. Okay, so that goes in the gut bucket. So now we spin it around and grab the skin on the back of the neck and cut through just far enough until we get through the skin and the membrane. And what we're going to do now is, Alia, hush down. We're going to tear off the gullet and the windpipe.
Where's the windpipe? Where's the windpipe?
The windpipe is how the chicken breathes. So along here I'm going to come across the crop. Now these Cornish crossbirds tend to have two sections to their crop. So you can think you've got half of it out, or you think you've got it all out, and actually you've only got half of it out. But these birds have been fasted for 24 hours, so I'm not expecting there to be too many crop issues. I'm hoping not anyway. Here it's just a bag. And tear it away from the skin.
That's the skin, right?
Yeah.
The ones that have holes in them?
And then I'm going to reach back as far as I can behind it and just cut. So now we turn the bird upside down. Here in ice water to cool that down.
Yeah. We're cooling it
Now
down
we're going to sterilize, flies away. It's going to get dirty throughout the day, so we just give it a clean down with 12% acid vinegar because it is food safe. And we are ready for the next one. So we tuck the birds in. This one hasn't set firm yet. So we squeeze as much air out of it as we can. And then twist it up. And then we're going to get a clean knife and we're going to puncture a little hole in it right here.
Then dip it on the water.
We're going to put it in to the hot water. And then I'm just going to leave this to cool down a little. And that is ready to go in the freezer.
Did you weigh already?
Oh, no, I have not. Here's my mark. 6 pounds 14 to the nearest pound. Do you have my marker pen?